Big shout out to Tool Nerd and others that have been posting all over the internet. Uh, we got a killer deal on this one. This one's actually pretty dang good deal for the Chemical Guys Ultimate Car Wash and Shine Detailing Kit. 11 items. I've used Chemical Guys before, and I still have some other products, and they're really good. They're kind of on the top level. They're actually sold at Walmart. You can actually buy these at the store. They're gonna be on the higher end though. Uh, that's why it makes this a really good deal. Anyways, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, so it does have 4.7 stars, so almost 5 stars. This is what it includes. You get a wheel and tire cleaner, wash and wax, and interior cleaner. I really love that interior cleaner. It smells really good. You got a silk and shine protectant. You get some microfibers. It looks like some scrubbing tools and some car wash tools. Of course, a bucket. You know, so everything you need to keep that truck and car clean. For $30, that's a really good deal. Each of these items is like anywhere from 10 to $13 a piece. So keep that in mind when you're buying it. I do have another one for you guys. Let's see here. Now I gotta get up. Alright, so just a quick reference. This one's $12. Just one item is $12, so keep that in mind. You're saving yourself quite some money there with this kit. Let's see what else. Alright, so we do got a foam cannon. This one's $20. It's on sale, guys. These foam cannons are really expensive, especially from a brand like this. So this is a Chemical Guys Torque Professional Snow foam cannon. Now this one does work with the power pressure washers. My guess is probably gonna be a gas pressure washer higher end. You would have to research, see if this works with your pressure washer, but it is $20. That's a really good deal as well. I'll leave you guys the links to both of these down below in the description section of this video. I do have some foam cannon videos out there. I'll see if I can link them down below in the description section of the video. That way you guys could get an idea of how this thing works, or something similar to this, not exactly this. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.